What if I mess up? My heart races. I feel like everyone is watching me, judging me. I tried to focus, but no matter how hard I try, my thoughts won't stop. Managing anxiety isn't easy, but step by step, I find ways to cope. I sometimes spend time with my friends, do journaling, and go to therapy to cope with my anxiety. I still have anxious days, but I am not alone, and neither are you. Generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD, is more than just worrying. It's constant, overwhelming anxiety that affects daily life, but help is available through support, therapy, and self-care. Managing GAD is possible. You are not alone.